Hi students, in this session Hi students, in this session I'm going to explain about how to install the MindMap application through Google Drive. I'll share the screen now. Just listen. You just log in into your mail ID. After that, you could see the icon, 9 dot icon. Click that. You could see the drive. Just click the drive. After that, you just click this plus symbol here. Wait for a few seconds. It's no processing. So click that plus symbol, and in which you could see there's more options. Just click this connect more apps. After that, wait for a few seconds and click this map to for drive. Just type here, and this application will be installed in your drive. Install, continue. Then click allow here. So this map will be installed in your drive. Drive add-on. So this app will be installed in your drive. You just close this, and once again you just go back and check whether it has been installed in your drive or not. Yes, it's there in our drive. Just click once again whether it is ready to use. Yes. This is how the MindMap application can be installed using Drive. In the next session, I'll guide you how to create the mind map using this application. Thank you.